Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off reader mode on Android. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just simply open the phone settings on this Android device. So when it's open the setting of phone, so you can find it in the options, and you can also find for search. So I will write reader. So there is, you can see the screen reader. You will have to just click to this accessibilities, and you will have to find, you will see the screen reader and accessibility shortcut. So you will just simply turn it off. So this is how to turn it off, the reader mode on Android. So in accessibility you will find this reader mode, and you will just turn it off. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.